Kain na kain.
Right. Now that my shoes are off. Now, you get to learn.
Very good. Galing naman. Dito ka mawa.
It's so cool. Looks like we have a lot of cool things over here. Oh, yeah, looks like juggling balls. We'll get to those later.
Okay.
Feathers? What are these doing here? That's so silly. Oh, look.
Baba. Baba.
Like tie wires. I am so excited to balance on these later. Wow! A trampoline? These are so bouncy. I really want to jump on them, but I probably shouldn't until I warm up and stretch. Yeah. Whoa! Look at that. Looks like a farm.
Uy, no. The jump.
Whoa! Whoa! Aerial camera.
Jump.
Wow. What color is this? Yeah.
Wala naman laman eh.
Color purple. Oh,
Naku, walang laman. Talagyan natin.
another one. This is the color yellow. Okay, enough playing. Let's get warmed up so then we can stretch and have some fun.
Ay, bakit niluluwa? Ay, nako. Niluluwa. Alisin ko na kay isda. Sabaw na lang. Galit si nanay, ha? Galit nanay. Wala naman na tiniki. Subo, subo. Saka naman kasi yan sa'yo, eh.
Check it out. I'm making big circles with my arm. Alright, let's get down to that butterfly. This is gonna make a butterfly. Whoa, check it out. Flapping like a butterfly. Yeah, butterflies start as caterpillars.